Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be making the world record paper airplane. So all you need for this model is one sheet of blank printer paper. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fold it corner so it aligns with this edge right here, and make sure that there's a point at the top right there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you can try to make it as perfect as you want it to be. And then open it back up and do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. Open it back up. And then we're going to fold this edge right here onto this crease. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It'll still fly super good. Open it back up and do the same thing on the other side. And then fold that, and then fold the first piece over so it comes over the second flap, just like this, and then turn it over. And then, as you guys can see, there is a X right here, and then in the middle, we're going to want to fold it down so the middle matches up just like that. And then we're going to fold it in half. Open it back up. And then fold these two corners down onto the center crease. Just like that. And then turn it over and fold it in half. Once you're done with that, flatten out every single crease that you can. So, just like this. And then what we're going to want to do is fold this part and then fold this part down so it matches up with this point right here, and then crease it, and then do the same thing on the other side. And then open it back up. And then this is an option, but I would do it. So we're going to make little winglets. So make it very small, just like that. It'll help it go up and farther. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then that is your finished world record paper airplane. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smack that like button. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. It would help me out so much. I will see you guys in the next video.